Yes, I started the recording.
So any questions, any doubts? No? So we are going to discuss a big transformation. That is a big stage called transformer. No questions? No problem. I can take the silent as no questions. Okay. So anyways, so let's get started. So today we are going to discuss about the transformer. So what do you mean by a transformer, guys? What all the things which we have seen so far in the transformer?
Data captured.
Hmm?
Data captured.
What do you mean by data capture? So can you do the copy with transformer? Can you do the filter with transformer?
Yes.
So note down all the points. So copy with the transformer. We'll see each and every steps with the transformers. Okay. Can we maximize it? Just maximize it. Yeah. Okay. So first one is the copy. So let's see copy with transformer. Next we'll see about the filter. How can we apply filter? Next we'll see about the sort. How can we apply sort? Next we'll see about the sequence generator. How can we do with the sort? I mean transformer. Next we'll see about the what is the next one? Remove duplicates. We'll see how we can do with the transformer. Okay. Next we'll see about the modify. So how can we handle all the nulls and all this stuff? We'll see about the data type changes. We'll see about the transformer. Next, come on guys. So funnel, join, lookup, merge are the exceptional stages which we cannot do with the transformer. Clear?
Yes.
But the rest all things can be done with the transformer. So this is one of the interview question where people will be asking like what kind of operations which we can do with the transformer. Now people will be confused and they will be saying blah 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 things, but if you say just this particular thing, that's enough. Okay? So 1 second, I'm getting a call. Hello? Chapra. దేనికి ఉన్నాయి. సరే నాకు పంపించేది ఫాస్ట్. ఓకే బాయ్. Yeah. So just connect the Oracle stage fast. You need to be very fast. Okay, leave it to me. Right click, new, parallel job, Control S, transformer, copy. Okay, so we'll see first one is a transformer copy. So how to see that? What is this, man? Why your system is very slow?
That's what I was saying. Something is not working properly.
Okay. So now drag the Oracle stage. Now just go to the view, palette, drag the Oracle connector. What are the things which you need to give now? Give the server details.
Oracle.
Username, Scott, password, Tiger. So now I want to connect the employee tables. I will be just creating the runtime queries. Employee. Now go to the columns, load it. So get the table definition, database, sorry, plugin, ORs 009 employee. Okay. ఆ ఇంట్లో కూడా వెళ్తుంది. Now press S. No problem. So now press OK. So now you have got the employee. Now let's see how can we distribute into the three different targets. Okay. So that is what copy does, right? What copy does? Now quickly, what all copy can do?
Can rename the columns.
Rename the column, drop the column, and move the columns to the different targets, right? That's what copy does. Guys, if you don't answer, then there is no point. Then I can only record the meeting and I can send it to you. Why I am taking time and I am explaining you all? Because I need some answers. Then only it will be motivates me to tell you. Otherwise, I can do very fast. So 3 links as an output. Just connect the files and give the file names. You need to connect it first.
What names you wanna give them?
Just any name. A dot A1, B1, C1.
The column name will be employee.
No, no, don't drag any column names. Why do you drag any column names? Just press OK. Leave it to me. Now you have given the file names for all the three.
No, I'm gonna give it for the second.
Yeah, give the file names for all the three.
Okay, it's done.
So now, what does the target do? Copy. Just imagine this is a copy. Now, you can drag all the columns. Just drag DS link 7. Click on the DS link 2, the link, and just drag. 9. Just click and drag. So, one thing is done. Second thing is, now you want to drop some columns. So I have dropped 1 till 5. And another one from the first 4. And the other one, all columns. So second thing is done. So multiple sources, multiple targets I have connected, and I have deleted some of the columns, dropped the column. Now I can change the name. Now I will change this EMP number to E number. I will change this E name to EMP name. Now here I will change the manager to manager. I can do like this. Are you all understanding, guys?
Yes.
So whatever the copy which we have done so far, the same thing can be done through the transformer. So all things which you need to do is, you just need, now if you want to connect another link, just go to the transformer, drag a link, and then you can connect it. Okay, suppose you want to drag another link. For example, let's take, so press OK. Now you want another link, so drag. So drag another link. Now you drag. Now you want to copy DS link 7 data to the DS link 14. Okay, the DS link 7, whatever the columns which are present on the DS link 7, you want to copy same columns to the DS link 14. So what you need to do, just double click on the transformer. So you have already got DS link 14. Now You go to the DS link 7, this 7, copy all these columns, just select all these columns, now drag down till 14. Okay, drag it till 14 and leave it. So all the columns which you have dragged on the DS link 7 will come. So see here, height date sal commission department number, and here also height date sal commission department number. You are all understanding, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, absolutely.
So if you want to delete any link, just you can go here and you can delete them. So that's all. So you can compile it. So now run it so you can see. So what happened? Job got failed. Guys, when the job got failed, what is the reason? You just need to go and check.
About it.
What is that it is saying? So nose directory or something like that. So you don't have C:/files. Just go and see whether do you have the files
No, we
directory.
don't. No, we don't have the thing.
Then how can you give such directory when you don't have, right? So create that and
We already have files.
you have files.
Yes.
You have, but Nasir, in the files you have to create the path. One.
No. It's not something like that. Just go and see what is the path you have given. C:/files/c1.txt. For which one it is saying there? So see here. So just see the slash how you are given and see the slash how it is expecting. So if you go and click on the files, the slash which is expecting over here is this one, backward slash. Okay. Now here you have given it as a forward slash. Just change it.
Okay. I have given backslash.
Just check each and everything.
Let's see.
I think the last file, the key one.
It is correct.
This one is correct. Yeah.
Maybe the colon is wrong.
See, check the colon, comma, space. Check the spaces and all the stuff.
Okay, what?
Now you see, all 14 records got transformed to all three files, and you can open the files and you can see you will get only the required data for the columns which you have mapped into these three different files. Clear with the copy and the transformer, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I want to keep a filter, right? So I will apply a filter over here. So how to do that? So let's rename the transformer. So I'm closing this. So save changes, no. So you want to rename it. So just rename transformer copy. Then add it filter. So I will just change it to transformer. So transformer means TX. Copy means CP. Filter means FL. So this is copy and filter now. So let's see how to apply filter. Unable to rename? Okay. So why? Okay. So now why are you getting this kind of error? Guys, this is one of the most important thing. So I am trying to rename it tx underscore cp underscore fl, but I am not able to rename it because I am getting saying that error, unable to rename mutual access, so cannot get the exclusive access. Why I am getting this?
I think we should save the job, right?
No, Manjula, for you guys, this is very much important because in India, these kind of questions people will ask, okay, but not in US. So just remember all this stuff. So this kind of error when you will get because
The job is
you have opened the log in the director.
Oh, okay.
You have opened the log in the director. So what you need to do is you come to this point and keep it like this. You need to be on the status point. So if you are on the status point and then you come back and you go here, now press close. Now you go and change it. tx underscore cp underscore fl. Now you press OK. What happened? See? Okay?
yes.
So this is what we need to do. Now just apply filter. How to apply filter? So in the transformer, so we have a called constraint. You can see that. So this constraint is called filter. Okay. So you can apply whatever the filters you want in this constraint. So just double click on this and you will get the links DS link 5, 7, 9 and you have got the constraints to apply. So just make this constraint, double click and you can connect it. So right click, input column, and now you give department number is equal to 10. So 1 department number is equal to 10. Now copy this the same link, same condition, go to the other link and give it as department number is equal to 20. Now go here and keep it and 30. Now this is what the filter is. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you want another thing, another link as a 40, right? So you can link another link, and you cannot keep, if you don't want to keep the condition, and you can keep otherwise. So which means that other than these three conditions, whichever left over, that will go into the other link. So let's see that one as well. So first we'll see this. So compile it and run it. So guys, are you understanding, I guess?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ఫ్యాన్లు ఆపే, కరెంట్ లేదు మాకు. నువ్వు ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ లైట్లు వేసుకుని వచ్చినట్టుకున్నావు, అన్ని ఆపే. ఫ్యాన్లు గీట్లు లైట్లు అన్నీ ఆపు. కరెంట్ లేదు, అన్ని స్విచ్లు ఆపే. Yeah, compile it and run it and just check it out. చెప్పురా. అరే ఆడన్నాడు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాళ్ళే రావాలి. ఓకే, వాడేమన్నాడనంటే మీటర్ ఏం చేంజ్ చేయకూడదు. మా ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ ఆ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాడే ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్తాడు ఏం చేయాలో. జస్ట్ ఆ వైర్లను తీసట మెయిన్ పవర్కి ఇచ్చేయడమేనట టెంపరీగా. ఆ తర్వాత ఆడొచ్చి మీటర్ అవన్నీ చూసుకుని వెళ్తాడు. హలో భయ్యా, నేను ఇప్పుడే గవర్నమెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ తోనే మాట్లాడాను. సో ఆయన ఏమన్నారనంటే మీటర్ మీరేం చేంజ్ చేయాల్సి, మీరేం భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, మీటర్ మీరు కట్ చేసేయండి, అది మీ దగ్గర ఉంచుకో. ఆయన మా అపార్ట్మెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్, ఇంకా గవర్నమెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ లైన్ అతను. ఓకే, ఆయన అన్నారు మీరు వస్తే మీతో మాట్లాడతారు. అతను మాట్లాడి టెంపరీగా డైరెక్ట్ గా పవర్ ఇచ్చేయడమే. సో అది ఆయన చెప్తానన్నారు. మీకు చెప్తారట, ఫోన్ చేస్తే మీకు అతను చెప్తారు ఎలా చేయాలో. అది చెప్పేస్తే చాలా అయిపోయింది. మీరు మీటర్ ఏం టచ్ చేయరు. ఆయన తర్వాత వచ్చి మీటర్ తీసుకెళ్తారు, మేము తర్వాత ఆయన డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి మీటర్ పెట్టించుకుంటాం. గవర్నమెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రీషియనే, మీరు భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మా అపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఆయనతో చేయిస్తారు. మీకు కావాలంటే మీరు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆయన ఫోన్ మాట్లాడిస్తాను, ఆయనే మీకు చెప్తాడు. ఓకేనా? ఏంటి ఇదేనన్న, మీరు వచ్చారన్న రాధాకృష్ణ రెసిడెన్సీ, ఆయన తీసుకొస్తాడు, మా ఫ్రెండ్ తీసుకొస్తాడు. బయటే. రాత్రి ఫోన్ చేశాను కదా, అదే మా ఇంటికి వచ్చారు మీరు. నన్ను చూస్తే నువ్వు పోలుస్తావుతా. ఓకేనా? హలో, అన్నా, అదే నువ్వు బయలుదేరితే మా వాడు వచ్చి తీసుకొస్తాడు. సరే సరే సరే, ఓకేనా? ఓకే, అశోక్ ఫోన్ చేసి తీసుకురారా. ఓకే, బాయ్. హలో హలో.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry guys.
No, sir. We compiled it, but we're not getting the data into the files.
Why? Just check the reason. You need to check the reason. I should not tell now. You need to check the reason. What is the reason?
We didn't give the key.
Sir, check the reason. How can you say on the fly? By looking at this, how can you say that you didn't give the key or something like that? Did you check the reason? Where will you check the reason? Where will you check the log? It's already opened. Why did you want to open again? How will you see the log? Wait. Manjula, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. I want to see the log and I want you to correct me. I am giving you the access. So you just ask Nasir to give the access.
Yeah.
Right click on the Nasir and request control.
Okay.
Now I want the answer from you guys.
Manjula, go to the notepad underneath the search.
What in my, I was saying that
No. Just maximize it. Okay. Now click on Nasir, Manjula.
yeah. You can.
Click on the attendees. So you are not able to see the attendees.
Yes, I can see. I can see.
So on the Nasir, right click and request the keyboard and access control. That will be there, right?
No, it's showing that send chat messages, copy email address to clipboard. That message is on. I can see.
So you are not having request access keyboard and all.
No.
Okay, Nasir, can you do one thing?
Yes.
Hello, Nasir.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, just click on this go to meeting on the screen, the go to meeting tab. See, there will be something like audio and screen, right? On the go to meeting app.
Okay.
Go to meeting app, there will be something like audio screen.
Yes.
Now in the screen, if you come down, click on the screen tab.
Okay.
And if you come down, there will be like give the access, keyboard and mouse control.
Okay, giving it to Manjula.
Yeah, give it to Manjula.
Okay, she has the access now.
Yeah. What is the error? And why the records are not getting loading?
Field common is not null.
Hmm?
No export. Null export handling has to.
So what you need to do?
Commission.
Speak out. I am not able to hear anything from you.
Commission in the commission value we need to
Guys, anyone is able to hear Manjula's voice?
Little bit, sir. Not complete.
in the field of commission
Hmm?
it's not null we need to
Is not null or is null?
it's null
Okay.
there is but no it is going to accept no nulls.
So it is not going to accept nulls, so you need to handle nulls. That's what you are trying to say, right?
Yes.
Now how would you handle nulls in the flat files?
We need to go to the
Go to the code. How would you go to the code? Wait. Maximize Nasir. Maximize the system. Okay. Now you got it. Now you take it. Now handle the null.
Go to that sequential file. There we need
You
to change.
go. You go.
Yeah.
You have to access again.
Yes. For columns, here commission.
What are you doing?
Commission. Here nullable node. Need to change.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I am asking to handle the null. Nasir sir, Nasim,
Yes, sir.
how to handle the nulls in a flat file? Who is that user? The other person? Is that Sharif?
Sir,
Who is that?
it is, sir.
Okay, now how to handle that? Guys, if you don't learn, I am telling to you, mainly to Manjula and Sharif, okay? Nasir and Nasim, that's fine, because the interviews we will be taking care and you just need to go and work from there, because most of the times in US the proxies will be taken from the India and just only the working where you need to go, because they won't ask for face to face. But in India it's not the same as US. They will ask for face to face. Okay? Now guys, please, if this is the case, then you will never ever get a job. I am telling you. Okay? Please concentrate and please remember the points whichever I am telling you and I have been told also. Now when I tell, you will say, oh, is this the one? How to handle the nulls in the flat file? Go to the format, go to the field defaults, click on the null field value and just give single quote, single quote. Didn't I told this one?
Yes, sir.
How many times I have told this point? If you go in my previous recordings, the first, second, third day, 100 times I have told that to handle the nulls in the flat file, please keep this null field value is equal to single quote, single quote. Blindly, if you see any column null, yes, any column is nullable, yes, just go to the format, keep this null field value is equal to single quote, single quote. Press OK. Now I can go to this, go to the format, field defaults, null field value, single quote, single quote. It's up to you guys. I am doing my part. You have to do your part. Otherwise, I cannot help you in any ways. And I am not at all interested in helping you guys. That will not come from my heart. Because if a person is reading, then I can help him. If a person is not at all reading and not at all concentrating and not at all, showing interest, why should I show interest in him where it's waste of keeping my energy or wasting my time, right?
Yes, sir.
It's true or not, Nasir sir and Nasim sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
If a person is truly working hard and he's showing interest and he's learning things, then a trainer will get motivated. Okay, now I need to give some more questions, some more points.
Yes, sir.
But whenever I ask any question, no one will answer it. Whenever I ask you any doubts, no one will turn up and put the results out. Then how come I will get an interest to teach?
Yes, sir.
But that's the job which I have to do. I will do it. So once the training is done, now if you guys come and ask me, sir, what is this? What is this? Then if that those are the points which I have told you already, then I will not be in a mood to tell you again. Just think. Please, I am requesting you. Now we are giving you the whole week time. So we are just taking only on the weekends. Don't think that completing the course is important. Think that the course which you are completing is getting into your mind or not. That is important. Again and again, 100 times I have told you, if I want to complete it, I will complete it today itself. Because these are all, the things which I can tell on my fingers, tips of my fingers. Please, 100 times I have told you, please practice. See, the guys which are all not, forever whichever is not possible, that's fine, because it's acceptable. For Nasir sir and Nasim sir, that's fine, it's acceptable, because we can take an interview. I can take a proxy interview, and by the time of the job, they can just go and do that. But for the people like Manjula and Sharif, this is not at all acceptable, because the intensity, the competition in Hyderabad and in India. So please come to the real time, practice, remember, and then for sure I am saying you will get a job, if that is the case. 1 second, guys.
Yes, sir.
Subra. నువ్వు వచ్చావేటి అవునా రా 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 Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, see, even for you, Nasir sir and Nasim sir, you also need to practice it, okay? But because when you have to work, you need to know something, right?
Right.
But the point of interview wise, we can take it care. You know how things goes. So, there is nothing to hide or nothing to, telling you anything new. But I always request to people, to learn, because that will help you. Because at the end of the day, you are the one who are going to work. I am not the one. So just think. So I have done 3 changes. Did I compile it?
No, not yet.
How would you know whether you have compiled it or not? So if you see here on the job name, okay, there will be a star. So if you drag it, so see here, the job name is not having a star, which means that it is compiled. See, if I just change it like this, the star will come. So that means that it is not compiled. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if I compile it, now the star will go off. See? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now just run it. Oh my god, I clicked on a different option. Now when you run it, you can see that all these warnings, whatever the warnings which you have got, commission and everything will go off. And we have given you 1 week time, 1 week, no classes at all last week. So I don't know what you people are doing. When there are no classes, people will always try to learn. Now you see whether you have got the warnings or not, first of all. See, are there any warnings? It's very clear. How clear, how drastically you changed from this to this. Now you go and see whether you have got the data or not. Last time you didn't get the data, right? Now you go and see. One is getting 20, another one is getting 10, and another one should get 30. Because I didn't drag the department number, that's fine. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what did I say? We'll see the point of otherwise. So just drag this, connect another sequential file. Nasir sir, connect another sequential file and give the name and go to the transformer and in the constraint give otherwise. Just do that. Now again, go to the format and do that one as well. Handle the null. Click on the field defaults. See, you haven't touched any, the designer at all. Single quote, single quote. Sir, just 2 single quotes, that's enough. Press OK. OK is down. Just maximize your screen and go to the OK and press it. Maximize your screen. Screen, I didn't ask you to maximize this. Maximize the screen, yes. Now, what would you connect? So you have given the file name, you handled the null in the file. Now what would you connect? Go to the transformer. So click on the DS-Link 16. So there is nothing, right? So just if I want to give the constraint, so I don't want to give any constraint, so just click on the constraint and I will keep the otherwise log. Okay? Then I will press OK. Now I want the columns. So let's drag any column. So if I want the DS-Link 9 columns, then I will just drag the DS-Link 9. So I just given the constraint as otherwise. Let's see what it is going to happen. Press OK. And then compile and run it and see. So nothing has got loaded, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay. My bad. Why it will load? Now you need to tell me, sir. How many records are coming from the source?
14.
How many are flowing?
5 and 3, 8,
How many are there actually?
14 records.
14, right? So let's see what all the data which is present. Why 6, 5 plus 3? Whatever the other record. 6 plus 5 plus 3 is 14, right?
Yes.
Right? So which one will go? So what I will do is I will delete this link. Okay, or else let's insert one record. Apart from the 30 and this thing, let's insert one more record 40. Okay?
Mhm.
So from the source, let's bring 15. Then we'll see whether the record will flow into the otherwise or not. Now, so today I will take only these two things. So tomorrow I will tell about the sort, how to generate the sequence, and then the modify. Then the next class we'll discuss about the remove duplicates. Or else we'll discuss tomorrow itself. If you are able to understand the concepts very clearly. See, I am just taking one by one topic only. I am not overloading you guys as well. But still, you people are not able to practice or not able to, remember the things. So just insert one record in the employee. So there is no 40, only 10, 20, 30 is there. So just click on this, right click on the duplicate row. Now just change this 10 to, or you can just keep, I need to change it. So just change it 10 to 40. Can I give 50?
Yeah.
I cannot give 50 because this is a foreign key to the other table. So department should have 50, then only I can give 50. I can give only 40 because department table is having 40. So see, still it is saying unique constraint violated. Why? Because the employee number is same. So just change it to 54.
Sir, can you explain why we can give 50?
What is that?
Can you explain one more time why we can give 50? Why?
Because this department number in the employee table is a foreign key.
Okay.
Right? Oh, which one is the unique constraint here? Oh, why I am changing this? Right. Okay. So this department number is a foreign key to this department table. Okay. Now this department table is having a department number 10, 20, 30, 40.
Okay.
Now as this department number is a primary key and this employee in a table, the department number is a foreign key. So whatever the department numbers are present in this primary key, only those department numbers can be present. I cannot insert other than that. So if I try to insert, then it will fail.
Okay, I see.
I have already said this concept. You can go through the recording and you can understand what is the difference between the duplicate and foreign key and the primary key. Yes. Commit it out. So see, now it should get commit. It's got committed. Clear? Now you run the workflow. You run the job. So just click this. So before that you want to compile, then you can compile it. If you have done some changes, so just run it now.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just practice till this point, and we can discuss the other things later on. Okay?
All right. So, would you give like 2 minutes? What exactly
Sure.
happened in the first stage when Nasir connected the sequential file? Why did the data get? What were we doing wrong? What were we doing wrong?
Instead of semicolon, I was using the colon. That was wrong.
Instead of colon, you are using semicolon.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Okay?
I'm talking about just about right now when we, in the transformer when we connect this what do you call it, DS-Link 16,
Mm-hmm.
and the job was not failing, but we did something wrong. What was it? Like I trying to figure out.
No, we only
There.
had 14 records, and
Uh-huh.
all the 14 records were getting processed in the first three files. So we had to add an extra record, which was department 40. So then it would go in others because the first three files were having the department number 10, 20, and 30.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what I want. So you people try to answer the questions rather than me answering all the questions.
Okay.
Wonderful, Nasir sir.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Are we having
Thanks a
class
lot.
tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you all willing to take the class, I will take it up. Okay.
All right. The same
But
time?
please utilize the time.
Okay.
So what time exactly?
We'll
Because
see. I said 7:30 to 8. Okay. So if
okay.
possible, we'll connect at 7:30 or we'll connect at 8.
Okay. Okay.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Good night. Good morning.